Hi, this is Sean Michael Lewis, and I'm excited today to talk about a new giveaway we're doing with GMS Distribution. So many of you probably just watched the review video. If you haven't, checked it out in the link below. But GMS, the owner of GMS, was kind enough to do a giveaway where he's actually giving away this entire Power Box special. So basically you can win the actual Power Box, all of the adapters, the bag, everything, and it's so easy to win. All you have to do is, one, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just go to the YouTube channel, hit subscribe, log in with your Gmail account. And two, private message me on LinkedIn. Look up Sean Michael Lewis. If you already follow me, it's super easy. And just go to the message and send me a direct message with GMS I subscribed in the message. That's it. Don't even need to send anything else. Just GMS I subscribed. Bam! And I will be picking in the next 2 weeks a random winner to win this entire Power Box package from GMS. So, you know what to do. Go ahead and do it. If you have any questions, hit me up. Hope you guys are doing well. Have a great day. I'll talk to you soon.